Mathogya. Today we are going to find, is mathematics a language? All mathematicians want to say math is the language of universe. Now let us question ourselves. Is math really a language of universe? Answering this question is not simple. Is math a language first? Then what is a language? A complex system of words and symbols either spoken or written used by a particular community as a means of communication. Okay, it makes sense either like English, Tamil, German or any other languages. But what about math? A complex system of words or symbols? Yes. Either spoken or written? Mostly written, yes. Is it used by a particular community? Definitely yes. As it means of communication? Well, maybe. The purpose of math isn't just to communicate ideas to each other. Math is used as a tool to make predictions of actual words. Is the purpose of language is just to communicate? I would say no. Language is also be used as a tool. In right hands, which can be used to inspire, to lighten the mood, to strengthen someone. In wrong hands, it can be used to hurt someone, to destroy someone's reputation, and still fear or even to control others. So, I don't think that math is used as a tool. It is disqualified. The definition of language doesn't even require a communication be all purpose. As it is said, as means of, not for the purpose of. Still, I am not entirely convinced. Now, let us take another chance to prove it. Let us translate something like math and English. Okay, now let us translate. When we translate, the meanings may change. As we said earlier, languages are complex system of words and symbols, and math have plenty of symbols in it. The most recognizable symbol is equal. As equal is more than its name, the direct translation of equal sign is the same as, which is a phrase rather than a word, but that is okay. Translation doesn't have to be one word to one word correspondence. In English, 6 words sentence is 10 word sentence in Arabic, but in the Google translators, we don't have mathematics in it. So, what does it gives? Language or not? I don't think we can judge it by Google Translator. Do you know? We have 103 languages in Google Translator, but we have 6,900 languages around the world. Math includes Latin letter, Greek letter, both uppercase and lowercase, and whole collections of more unique symbols, which is probably why people are afraid of it. All of those symbols have at least one meaning, but many have multiple meanings that we have to understand by context. But equations cannot be translated, right? When someone asks me whether maths is a language, I would say yes. Is math really a language of universe? Okay, this is little trickier. If math is a language of universe, anything we calculate should have meaning. Yeah, it has meanings though. Science is all about languages. There are plenty of statements which have meanings but do not have a translation into maths. Maths alone will never be enough. No numbers will answer the deepest philosophical questions. So, math may not be the language of universe. So friends, today we discussed, is math the language of universe? We tried proving it too. But unfortunately, maths is not the language of universe. So friends, I'll meet you in the next video with some more mathematical facts and interesting questions on maths. Bye bye.